BluntCut MetalWorks, June 13, 2021. This is CPM S90V 66 Rockwell, sharpened at 12 degrees precise. Using 1000 grit diamond plate. It's sharp, except there is little microchips, a couple of microchips along the edge. I was accidentally hit it with a belt toward the end, so that's it. Anyway, you can see this is the phone book paper. There you go. You can see that little hesitation right there. That's a big one. But later on, when I look at the close, discuss as a close-up of the edge, you can see that the initial microchips. The behind the edge thickness is about 5,000 of an inch here. Anyway, so this is Argentine lignum verte. So it's dense and hard. It's not like bone. It's more predictable. Anyway, so it's a hardwood, a little brittle. The main test is if this steel at this angle is, again, I think is way too thin for general EDC. I mean, for even a kitchen knife, I think it's still too thin because they're going to be sudden impact. However, what I'm testing is bone contact. This is beef rib bone here, cooked already, and this is a 1/2 inch sisal rope, and I'm going to cut in against bone backing. So this is bone contact, all right. I'm pull slice here, you see. I mean, a little bit more better control than anything. So it's not really because of this setup, and so I can do some push, and I think the pull wrap the rope a little bit so that it doesn't unfold the rope so they can cut better. But if I would push it, I have to push probably back in here, so I use more rope. The idea is, again, I mean, some abrasive of the rope, but I don't think that not much. I mean, for the older vanadium in the S90V here. So, and of course, when they're I'm pushing. That one is more pushing now. Okay. Quick let's check. This is the initial edge here. These are the two microchip I was mentioned before, and you can see some scratches here as a marker. And after cutting the rope on bone backing, then you can see the same though matching up the microchips here. The edge is a lot cleaner, and there's any major new chips or anything like that. The scale right here is 1/2 millimeter. Thanks for watching.